Good day all. Today we will look into how to localize the existing Flutter app. Before that, I will show you some video tutorials created by me. You can go and get vast knowledge about Flutter TensorFlow, like create machine learning model and how to use in Flutter app, and also the biometric authentication, speak recognition, and also the newest one is the Flutter server pod. Missing server for Flutter. They are very valuable videos. Please go through and get some knowledge. Let's move on to today's section, easy localization. And also we use easy localization package. First of all, I will these are the steps I will cover through this tutorial in this video. So in here first we look at what is localization. What is localization? Actually you can see in there are several languages speaking throughout the world. So when we deploy a app, so we should customize this app to their current country language. So we should convert all the strings and all the UI according to their country. Such as when we talk about Arabic, they use the RTL, right to left, and also when the other countries use LTR, left to right. So we want to customize our app to give best performance for the users. Let's move on and how to achieve it in Flutter. So we can use the easy localization package. This is the version 3.01. First of all, go to your project and in the pub.xml, please add easy localization package. After that, we should configure the project. For that, first of all we look onto that, and also in the assets folder, if we creating 2 or 3 languages as an example in here I have created in the asset folder, we should create the translation folder, and also it should mention on the assets path. And also if we making 2 languages such as English and English and Arabic, we should create the JSON files in this format: English, US, and ARAE. It is country code and the language code. It is completely explained in this code, as you can see in the language code.txt. There is a JSON file we can use, and also example, this is the English US JSON and Arabic AE JSON. AE is the language code, AR is the country code. You can see it is language code and country code. And also we should configure it in the asset folder to achieve that path. Okay, first of all we should customize the project at the build. So first of all we should go to our main.dart and we should write this command: widget flutter binding ensure initialized and await easy localization ensure initialized. After that we should wrap our my app with the easy localization widget, and in the supported local section we should declare what languages we should use in the app. As an example, in here we can use in this sample project I have used English and Arabic. So I use Arabic to it completely change the layout of the app. And also we should declare the path to the asset translation folder. After that we should, in the material app section, we should declare these properties: localization delegate, support locals, and local. And also keep on mind, when converting to the localization app, we should there are several key points, such as we should keep eye on the margin padding if we use position widgets, and also such that we should keep in mind before this will messy the layout if we done wrong when translating the app to the new language. Let's move on step by step. After configuring the project, you can see in this I have declared two JSON files for static strings used in the app. In here you should create the easy localization. In here you can see in the home page I have used title for the app bar easy localization. In here we should use JSON file easy localization translation word like this, easy localization tr translated word. You can, in here it is clearly mentioned you can use different scenarios. In here you can see text title means the title defined in the JSON file which you should convert to the both languages. In here I have converted the easy localization to Arabic also. We should contain the both JSON file with different language, but the key is same. Keep in mind. And also we access it by like this easy localization, which is the key in the JSON file, and to tr mean the translate. If we change the language, it will change. I will briefly describe in the throughout the video. Please watch it completely. And also I have created the button to translate the word, translate the whole app. I will describe. So change the language. I have used the localization package. In here we use the current local to get the current local of the easy localization package. What current local we use in the app. If it is used in the English US, we convert it to Arabic. If else, we use it to convert to the US vice versa. In here you can see, please keep on the alignment, padding, margin and position widgets you have used throughout the app, because that makes the your UI if you did not do correct steps. In this section, personal details, left padding and right padding, and also the alignment of the personal detail card is not changed when we change it to the Arabic language. You can see it. So this is the key area we want to keep on mind. So we use in this section alignment, we use the just alignment center left. That is wrong. So if we use in the LTR language, that's okay. But we want to localize, we should use alignment directional. Alignment directional center left means the center start. Center start. And also the same for the padding, margin and other things. In the this we use the card margin 15 from the left. So we should use H direction. H directional only. Left means the start, right means the end. And also the padding also we should use H directional. Directional left means the start, right means the end. After that, that's the main key point we should keep in mind when using converting the layout of the app to RTL language such as Arabic. And also this is the key point. And also let's, after changing this, we switch the languages. Now you can see successfully converted the app to RTL. So you can see this is clearly. And also we switch back, it's completely LTR language such as English, US. So when we click on this globe, it is changed to Arabic language. It is completely successfully complete the entire app to Arabic language and the RTL version, right to left. In the when we use US English language is a LTR base, and the RTL means the Arabic language. So you can see it is completely converted the app. Let's move on to the summary of this section. In here, with the summary is the we should completely migrate the padding, margin, and position widgets, and also alignment widgets using the alignment directional. If we use left, we use center left, center start. If center right, if it is center left, center end. Like that, we should convert all the edge insets to edge inset directional when compared to the margin, alignment, and padding, as like this. And also, if we are use position widget, we should use position directional widget like that. So you must use directional widgets to completely achieve the padding and margin without the layout mess. If you have any questions, please mention on the video. Like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned with the future valuable Flutter videos. I am Deepa. Thank you. I will provide the code for this project in the GitHub link in the video description. Thank you.